how to delete Spotify account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Spotify app and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, the next thing that we need to do once we're here is to click on our profile icon on the upper left corner of the screen. So just click your profile icon right there and then click settings and privacy. So once you click settings and privacy, the next thing that we need to do is to just choose the account, which is right here. So click account right there. And then in this part, if you look on the middle part of the screen, you will see this close your account. So what we're going to do is to click on that. And then you will be redirected into this part wherein you will have this process before closing your account. So what we're going to do is to just scroll down once again and then click continue to close your account. So once you click that, what we're going to do is to, of course, read this first so that we'll know what we will lose once we close our account. So once you're now done with this, just click this I understand and then click continue to close your account once again. So what we're going to do right here is to go into our Gmail. And then once you're now on your Gmail, the next thing that we need to do is to just look for the Spotify email wherein they sent the link. So once you find it, the next thing that we need to do is to just scroll down once again and then click close my account. So once you click close my account right there, you will be redirected into this page. So you will see that we have now closed our account right there. And then if we go back into our Spotify app, this is what it will look like. We will now be logged out into our account. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to delete Spotify account.